on to the last on a moto vlog. It's a good day, good weather, on call, so I gotta make a really quick short trip, but I just wanted to ride around on the Ruckus. This video follows the first part of the refurbishing of the Ruckus after I put the new clutch bell on, and then after I went ahead and did the carb cleaning, which it seems to be doing well. I did have to adjust my idle a little bit, kind of jacked up the idle a lot, so kind of wanted to see if I can make it run any better than it did before, and well, I guess so. That's technically lane splitting when you do that, and it's technically not legal in Texas to do lane splitting, so I don't recommend doing that, especially if you don't know if the person on the front is making a right turn. But I'm a rebel! I've been watching Cobra Kai on Netflix. You know, I've had it forever on YouTube Premium, but I've never completely watched it, and they put it on Netflix, and now I just have this overwhelming need to just finish the whole thing. I'm in season 2. Cobra Kai never dies! But see, I have mixed feelings about Cobra Kai, whether it was a good thing, a bad thing, whether he's a good guy or a bad guy. It's like Danny LaRusso and the other guy keep switching back and forth as to who's the bad guy and who's the good guy in the show. And I think that's the point. They want you to kind of figure out what it is or something like that. You know what I mean? What it is. What it be, dude? What it be? Anyways, so I'm already feeling a little bit difference in the clutch wheel as far as takeoff, or the clutch bell, and I am running a little bit consistent. I just really need to work on this exhaust. I did order a new exhaust. Hopefully it'll be here by the end of the summer, and I'll fabricate a bracket and all sorts of good stuff. I just want something a little bit different than what everyone else has. Obviously, I'm running around with 2 cup holders on my Ruckus with nothing in the cup holders, so kind of shows a little bit that I'm a rebel. Cobra Kai never dies. Strike first, strike hard. No mercy. Begs the question. Oh man, I forgot to put the filter on my carb. I better watch the dust. Better watch the dust. Better watch the dust. Yeah, it's idling pretty good. I still have to take the rear wheel off for the vibration. I got to redo the brake cable because I think that the brake pads are like for somehow uneven, and it's causing like that vibration. It's like barely skimming it, and I can feel it at like about 40 miles per hour. I'd like to say that that's the reason for the vibration, but I'm unsure. But yeah, and I still have to fix the front, blah blah blah, whatever. I'm gonna go ride. I'm not like I'm going super far or anything like that, and this video is not gonna come out until next week anyway, so I am wearing shorts, I am wearing a tank top, and I am wearing my vest on top of it, but with my gloves. I'm not wearing my riding boots, so can't really tell you how safe I am technically, but safe enough to do this. Safe enough to do this. I think that it sounds weird. I think it's because I don't have a filter on, so there's too much free-flowing airflow into a 30mm carb, because usually a 30mm carb is like just at the cusp of a big bore for a 171. Like a 28 would have been just as good, but we'll see. Anyways, there was a police officer over there. I'm pretty sure he's gonna turn around and be like, what is that thing? Oh yeah, yesterday there was a car show in the Fitness Connection parking lot, and I did not go out there to do a recording as I drove through with my Ruckus to see how people would react with their large big V8s versus my tiny little Ruckus. Oh man, guys, it feels good to be riding again, and it feels good to have confidence that what I'm riding is gonna work. I don't know how, I don't want to knock GY6s or anything like that, but my gosh, like, it gets really frustrating after a while when you're not like tuning it as often and as accurately as you need to be, because you know you got to constantly do something to make it run right. Well, I hadn't been doing that, obviously, and I let it sit for a really long time, so it's really good to have it running right again. I still need a gas gauge. I do admit I do like the sound of the exhaust, only when I'm moving forward. When I'm sitting still, it sounds kind of like a lawnmower. Can you hear that? I sound like a lawnmower. Idle could probably go up a little bit more. But that's cool, you know? It's all part of doing the Ruckus game. There is a mural ride that Lee's holding again for Ruck City. I might be able to actually make that one. I can get all this stuff to hold together with the glue of hopes and dreams. Anyways, I just wanted to get out and ride, talk to everybody. It'd be kind of cool if one day when I was doing a moto vlog that I had someone to talk to instead of just myself. That'd have been kind of cool, but you know, can't win at everything. I have kind of become a slight recluse when it comes to riding in my area because I'm so busy with everything else that I got going on. I don't mean to play with my speed like that, but I'm trying to really test to see how the clutch feels, and at the same time I'm kind of trying to test to see how the clean carb and then the 122 jet, because I did jet up, it does sound like it runs better. Really wish I had air fuel ratio gauge. So that light, is that light blinking? Is that like blinking to you guys? Can you see it, or is it just my eye? Oh, okay, yeah, it's blinking. So I'm pretty happy with the way it's performing right now. Only the exhaust makes it sound weird. And my butt's not vibrating too much, but I don't know what that's due to. Still gotta fix it. It used to do that in the very beginning when I first built this bike, and then I did something, and then it worked better. I don't know. I may reseat the rear wheel too. And I'm not going to ride up the whole lane. See, it's blinking. Tell me you guys see it blinking, and it's not my eyes. Because look at everything around me. Nothing else is blinking rapidly like that. I think it's a glitch in the simulation. Glitch in the simulation! Anyways, thanks for riding around with me and goofing off, or whatever it is I was doing. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see everybody in the next video!